Hi there. Welcome to my Excel tutorial channel. I hope you will find my Excel tutorial clip is helpful. Please feel free to click to like, to share with your friends, or subscribe my Excel tutorial channel. Today, I am going to show you how to use HLOOKUP function in Excel. Now, let's get started. HLOOKUP stands for Horizontal Lookup, and it can be used to retrieve information from a table by searching a row for the matching data and outputting from the corresponding column. You might ask, what is the difference between VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP then? The answer is that both have the same function, but the location of the search value is different. VLOOKUP function searches for the value in a column, while the HLOOKUP searches for the value in a row. The syntax for the HLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel is HLOOKUP, lookup underscore value table underscore array col underscore index underscore number range underscore lookup. Similar to VLOOKUP function. Look underscore value is the value to search for in the first row of the table. Table array are two or more rows of data that is sorted in ascending order. Index number is the row number in table from which the matching value must be returned. The first row is 1. Range lookup is the optional entry. Enter false to find an exact match. Enter true to find an approximate match. If this parameter is omitted, true is the default. Now, let's us use some example in this page to show how HLOOKUP function is work. In this table, you have monthly expenses record for types of expenses occurred each month. Let's say you want to locate the cost of transportation on February. In this example, the first parameter is transportation. This is the value that the HLOOKUP will search in the first row of the table data. The second parameter in the HLOOKUP function is the table, or source of data where the horizontal lookup should be performed. In this example, the second parameter is A2 to G6. The HLOOKUP uses the first row in this range to search for the value of transportation. The third parameter is the position number in the table, where the return data can be found. A value of 1 indicates the first row in the table. The second row is 2, and so on. In this example, the third parameter is 3. This means that the third row in the table is where we will find the value to return. Since the table range is set to A2 to G6, the return value will be in the third row somewhere in the range A2 to G6. Finally is the fourth or last parameter in the HLOOKUP. This parameter determines whether you are looking for an exact match or approximate match. In this example, the fourth parameter is false. A parameter of false means that HLOOKUP is looking for an exact match for the value of transportation. Hence, your answer from this HLOOKUP is 180. Let's try two more examples. If you want to find the cost of food and groceries on April, HLOOKUP, go to F2, then select the range of A2 to G6, then the month of April is on row 5, finally select false. Here you are, the answer returned is 300. If you want to find the cost of rent on March, HLOOKUP, go to B2, then select the range of A2 to G6, then the month of April is on row 4, finally, select false. Here you are, the answer returned is 160. Voila! You have successfully learned the HLOOKUP function in Excel. Thank you for watching. Please click to like, to share with your friends, or subscribe my Excel tutorial channel. Goodbye. See you in my next clip.